Hiya, first graders. This week we're going to be doing science during our Studies Weekly block. Now, the science week that you're doing week 11. So when you go to Studies Weekly, it'll show your social studies and science magazine. So you want to make sure you click on the science magazine, and week 11 will be at the bottom. This is what it looks like. So week 11 is light on materials. This happens when light goes through or shines on various objects. Remember, this is meant to last you all week long. So you go through each of the various article pieces. You can listen to them read aloud by clicking the play button. At the end of the week, after you go through everything, there is a try it out, which has you gathering objects and putting light on them, and then putting them in a chart. After you have studied all week, you can take the test, and you can also do 2 games this week. You have a crossword puzzle and a misspelled game that you can play. The misspelled, if you've done the crossword puzzle, awesome. The misspelled is a game that you can play on here as well. Play it as many times as you want. I like doing the crossword puzzle and the game before I take the test. The test is usually the very last thing I do because I want to use all the games to help me study for the test. So this is almost unloading, so I can show you how to play. Once you get into it, you're looking for like spelling of words. So you're looking like, oh, this one is misspelled. So I'm going to put it into the incorrect spelling jar. Oh, translucent, that is spelled correctly, so I'm going to put that in the correct spelling jar. Now this could be difficult, so take your time. Feel free to study as much as you need to first. Remember, this is meant to take you all week, so doing things several times is okay. All right, have a great rest of your week.